At PGL, we excel in international car shipping from the USA to destinations worldwide, connecting you with vehicles from leading USA auctions. With extensive experience and a proven history of success, we empower dealerships and auto businesses by ensuring smooth transportation of high-quality cars to global buyers. Strategically positioned warehouses across the USA. These locations minimize transit times and lower costs, ensuring your vehicles are always positioned for fast and efficient shipment. Global network with key branches. Our branches across UAE, Oman, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Kurdistan work together to make global car shipping simple, fast, and secure. Direct auction access and worldwide shipping support. Safe storage, quick clearance, and reliable delivery. Dedicated teams ensuring customer satisfaction at every destination. PGL offers flexible car shipping solutions to meet your specific needs. We provide two categories shipping options. Mixed shipping, different cars from various sellers can be shipped in one container, offering a cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals with different vehicle needs. Complete shipping, cars from one customer are shipped in one container, ensuring a safer and more specific delivery for those with particular vehicles to ship. Our partnerships with major shipping companies like Maersk, MSC, ONE, Evergreen, and other top carriers, we ensure on-time bookings, affordable rates, and easy shipping. We also take care of all paperwork and make customs clearance simple for you. Why choose PGL? With over 240,000 vehicles shipped globally, PGL provides reliable, flexible, and efficient shipping services. Let's ship together. Choose PGL for easy, affordable, and flexible car shipping. Contact us today to get started.